Sairam children, this will be your second part of chapter number 5, data handling. So in the previous video we have discussed the introduction of this chapter. Today we are going to start with exercise 5.1. A very first question of this exercise. Let's see what is there. For which of these would you use the histogram to show the data? Now when we are making histogram children, when we are having intervals, okay, so we are having 4 options here, so we have to decide whether in this case histogram we can make or not. The very first case is the number of letters for different areas in the postman's bag. So if we talk about the postman, so that postman is moving here and there, okay, that postman is moving here and there, so different letters are there for different areas. So we can't make a specific interval in this case because different places are there and different letters are there. So on what basis we are going to make a histogram? So in this case histogram is not possible. Okay, now in the second part we are having option the height of the competitors in an athletics meet. Now if athletics meet, we are talking about athletes, so athletes can vary with the height, so we can make the that group, like that particular player is having 4 inch 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, so we can decide the range here. So in second option histogram is possible. Okay, now third is the number of cassettes produced by 5 companies. Now 5 companies are involving here, they are producing number of cassettes, so no interval we can make in this, so in this case also histogram is not possible. Now fourth option is the number of passengers boarding train from 7 AM to 7 PM station. Now 7 AM and 7 PM, so we are having a range of time here, so we can make an interval like 7 AM to 8 AM, 8 AM to 9 AM, 9 AM to 10 AM, 10 AM to 11 AM and so on. So here interval can be possible, so in this option we can make a histogram. So in among 4 A, B, C, D, B and D are the option in which we can make histogram. A and C is histogram is not possible. Let's move to the next question. See, next question is about the store. So question is saying that the shopper who came to the department store, one store is there, in that different shoppers are there, different persons are coming for shopping, like men are coming, we are representing man as M, women are coming, we are representing women as W, boys coming, we are representing as B, girls are coming, we are representing as G. So within 1 hour these much of persons are coming. So women are coming, again women are coming, again woman is coming, again girl is coming, then boy is coming, in this way. So scattered data is there, we have to represent into a tally mark by making a frequency table. So how we can make a tally mark? We need to make 3 columns here: shoppers, tally marks and number of shoppers. Now with the initial I have written M for man, B for boy, G for girl and W for woman. So let's count how many times men are coming. So let's see how we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in this way. So in this scattered data count number of times M's are coming. So according to me 15 times they are coming. So I have represent into a tally mark. How? 1, 2, 3, 4 and these slanting one is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This slanting one is 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Then it is 15. Okay, so in this same manner I have counted for boys how many times boys are coming in this scattered information. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times are coming. So 5 is here. So represent into the tally mark. Then in the same manner girls are coming 12 times. In the same manner women are coming 28 times. So all the data represent into the tally mark. So how actually we are representing, let me show you one more time. This already solved one I have explained with you. I will show 28 in front of you. Okay, how we will do, how we can represent 28? 1, 2, 3, 4. This slanting one is 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Then 26, 27, 28. So in this way you can represent the 28 in telemarks: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and these three are 28. Okay, so in this way you can represent this specific data into a telemarks. Okay, in the same question we are having second part also. We have to represent this particular data into the bar graph also. Now how you can represent into the bar graph, I have already made. See, in this way you can represent. So this will be your x-axis and this will be your y-axis. Here I am representing number of shoppers. Okay, here I am representing shopper. Shopper means who are coming for shopping, like women, men, boy and girl. So now women are coming. How many times women are coming? Women are coming 28 times. So you have to represent 28 in this bar graph. So I have taken 5 difference interval. So 28, how you can represent 28? See, this is 25. Okay, now between these two you are having, this will be your 30. So between 25 and 30, where you are getting 28. So 27, 26, 27, 28 will be here. Okay, so you can count and you can represent here like this 28. So this will be your 28. Now men's are coming how many times? 15 times they are coming. So represent 15. This will be 15. Boys are coming 5 times. So represent 5 times. Girls are coming how many times? Girls are coming 12 times. Okay, so represent till here it is 10, 11, 12. So this will be your 12. Okay, so in this way basically you can represent the data women, men and boy and girl. So this will be your bar graph. Okay, so with this let's move to the next question. Next question again. So next question is about the weekly wages in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are. Now in this also a scattered data is given to you. A scattered data is given to you and you have to make the tally marks, make a frequency table with the interval. Now here you have to make the tally mark table with the help of the interval. So let's make the interval. See, here 830 is here, 835 is there. So maximum wage is here. Now what are wages? Actually wages are the salary. Like a salary you are having, in the same manner wages we say. So 890 is the maximum one here. And the least one is, I think 810, less than 810 we are having. No, 810 is the least one and maximum is, sorry, 808 is the least one and 804 is the least one, I suppose. This is the least one and maximum is 890. Okay, so let's make the class intervals here. How we can make the class intervals? Then you have to make the tally marks. Then last option is of frequency. Okay, in this way you can make the table interval. You can start from 800 because the least in wages we are having 804, 800 to 10. Okay, in this way you can make the table. Then 30. So in this way I have made the whole class interval. Okay, I hope you are able to see the full class interval. So in this way you can make the whole interval. Okay, now I think this will be clear to you. Okay. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now this, see, you are having 810 here. So in which category you will keep this 810, here or here? Okay, so it will come in the 810 because it is starting from 810. So this will become in this category. Okay, 890 is a kind of which, in which category you will take? We are having this option like 880 to 890, or you are taking 890 to 900. I will take in this because 890 is the starting point here. Getting my point? Okay, so let's make a list. Now between 800 and 810 you have to find out from this interval. So total options we are having in this, we are having total options 3. Okay, like 804 is there, 1, then 800, next 806 will come in this category. Okay, 2, and 808 is come in this category. So 3 options are there which lie between 800 to 810. Okay, next is in 810, 820 we are having 2 options like this, 810 and 812 will come. Okay, in 820 to 830 only 1 option we are having, then 830 to 849 options we are having. You count and simply write. I have already solved this question, so I know about all the data. Okay, I left one range, 870 to 880. So right here, so in that 1 is there, then 1 is there, then 4 is there. Okay, so in this way frequency table makes. So now represent all the data in the tally marks. Okay, now represent all the data in the tally marks. Okay, so 2, 3 can be represented like this, 2 can be represented like this. Okay, then represent 1, then represent 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, then 5 you have to represent, 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 you have to represent, then 3, 1 2 3, then represent 1, then represent 1, then 4, 1 2 3 4. So in this way you can represent all the data into the tally mark. In this question specifically they want class interval, so we have made the class interval first. Then now the same data you have to represent in the bar graph like in the previous question we have done. Let's do that. See children, in this question we have to represent into the tally mark only. In the next question we have to represent the same data into a histogram. Okay, histogram always we make in a form of bar graph but in the connected way. Okay, so next question we are having, draw a histogram for the frequency table. So we have made that frequency table. On the basis of that, on the basis of the question number 3 question based data, we have to make the histogram. Then we have to solve these 3 questions. So let's make that histogram. So I have taken the bar graph like this. So here I am going to represent number of workers, and here down I am going to represent the wages. I'm going to represent the wages. Okay, so let's make, so between 800 to 810 we are having 3 frequency. We are having 3 frequency like this. Okay, you can make like this. Then between 810 to 20 you are having 2 frequency. Okay, in this way you can make the histogram. So in this way your histogram going to look like. Okay, so I have written all the data like 800 to 810, 3 workers are there, between 810 to 822 workers are there. So in this way I have made the histogram. Now you have to solve the question according to this histogram. So let's see the very first question. First question is, which group has the maximum number of workers? So which group is having maximum number of workers? So see, 830 and 840 maximum number of workers are 9. Between 830 to 840 maximum number of workers are 9. So answer will be 830 to 840 maximum number of workers, that is equal to 9. Okay, now next question is, how many workers earn rupees 850 and more? Okay, 850 and more. So again see, 850 is here. Okay, so hide this portion of the bar graph, and more than 850 represent this part of the histogram. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. So this will represent the those workers who are getting more than 850 wages. Okay, so answer will be 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. It gives you 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 workers are getting more than 850 wages. So in this way you can answer the following. How many workers earn less than 850? Now concentrate on this histogram. So 850 is here, so hide this particular portion. So this part represent number of workers who are earning less than 850. So 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 11 plus 9 is 20. So 20 workers are there who are earning less than 850. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5 gives you 20 workers are there who are earning less than 850. Okay, let's move to the next question. Now in question number 5, the graph is given to you. You have to answer the following question. The number of hours for which students of the particular class watch television during the holidays is shown through a given graph. Now what kind of graph has been given to you? See, in your book this type of graph is given to you. See, between 1 and 2, those students who are watching only 1 hour TV, 1 to 2 hours, 4 students are there. Between 2 to 3 hours, 8 students are there. Between 3 to 4, 22 students are there. Between 4 to 5, 32 students are there. Between 5 to 6, 8 students are there. Between 6 to 7, 6 students are there. So according to this we have to answer the following question. Our very first question is, first question we are having first question, for how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? So which is representing maximum number of students? So 32 are the maximum number of students. So in which are they watching TV? 4 to 5 hours. So maximum 32 students are seeing TV 4 to 5 hours. So answer will be 4 to 5 hours. Okay, getting my point. Now next question is, how many students watch TV for less than 4 hours? Less than 4 hours, how many students are watching TV? See, so hide this table, only this much you have to concentrate. It means 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 22, 12 plus 22 is 12 plus 22 is 34. So answer will be 34 students are watching TV less than 4 hours. Next question is, how many students spend more than 5 hours in watching TV? More than 5 hours. So you have to hide this much of your graph. 8 plus 6 more than 5. 8 plus 6 will be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 students are watching less than 5 hour TV. 14 students are watching. So in this type of question you are going to have in your exams also. So you are going to have a bar graph. You have to read that bar graph and you have to answer the following question. With this I'm ending this video. Thank you so much for attending this class. In the next video we will start with exercise 5.2. Thank you. Take care.